unboxing the Haunted Mansion Doorables. I saw this on Amazon, okay? And I hit add to cart. It let me add it to the cart, and it was gonna let me check out, and then it's not out of stock, but yet it was still letting me check out. So I don't know if that was like glitching. So I was like, alright, I guess I will get it next time. So then the next day I checked, and it said that it was back in stock, and said that it was an Amazon exclusive, if I didn't mention that already. And I was like, I need this in my life because Doorables are super cute, and why wouldn't I? It's Haunted Mansion. I am so excited with all of the spooky merch I've been seeing on Instagram, and I was like, I have to get this. So I was like, you know, should I do this as a reel or a YouTube video? But I was like, let's unbox it on here. So we're going to poke a hole here. Let's see if this is gonna open. By the way, the nails that I had on in my other videos, those were my real nails. I was getting the dip powder treatment at the salon. But, you know, they make your nails look pretty, but over time, the like dip powder, it makes your nails really frail and soft. And I had it for almost a year, and my nails are so like bendy, and they're not healthy. So I soaked them off at home. Well, my sister did it for me, and we just put like regular top coat and nail polish. That is so random, but I just wanted to let you guys know. So if you ever want dip powder, I mean, you could still get it, but I wouldn't keep it on too long because it harms your nails in the end. So I mean, it's supposed to be a natural way of keeping your nails so that they don't break, and it does help with that, but over time your nails do lose that strength, so I wouldn't. So just throwing that out there. That's so random. But yeah, that's what the inside looks like. Look at that! I love this. Okay, so what do we want to open first? Let's do the first door. Okay. Oh, okay. That. And then this is so cute. Let's see, we have Gus. So he was in door number 1. Isn't he cute? Look at the sparkles and everything. I'm obsessed, guys. Totally obsessed. And then door number 2. Do you like my ears, by the way? How cute. And look at my tapestry. It is the Disney castle. Like some pizzazz to the wall. What do you think? Okay. And now this door. Okay. I've been so busy, and I am trying to come up with some new content with you guys. So on Instagram, I will be doing something, so keep an eye out. And I've always loved fashion. If you guys have followed me from the beginning, you will know that I did study fashion, and I've always loved fashion. So I want to do some styling videos on Instagram. So let me know what kind of styling videos you guys want to see, like Disney, fandom, Potter, like what do you want to see? Let me know down below. And now we have Rolo Rumpkin. I hope that I get the bonus figure, which is Madame Yoda. Like, I really want that. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. Adorable. Wow, my camera is actually behaving. Let's not jinx it. I gave it a break for a while, so let's see. And then door number 3. I almost hit myself in the mouth there. Look at this really cute shirt. I found it on eBay, brand new with tags. And I don't think they sell it anymore, but I was like, when I saw it, I had to have it. Do you just like type in things and just browse the internet for random things? I do that. And now we have Ned Nub. This is going to go on my Halloween shelf because this is so cute. I'm obsessed. And now door number 4. Here we go. My lights are like reflecting in it. Why is it doing that? And now we have the Maid. This is adorable. Like totally adorable. I love it. I'm obsessed. I was gonna have my fan running while I did this because I am so hot. It's not even funny. Like, this heat has been killer. But I was like, then it's gonna be annoying during the video and blow everything around. And now what are we on? Door number 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. So how have you guys been? I know I've been a little absent on social media. Like I said, I've been doing some things in between. And I'm working on some new things for you guys, and I'm so excited about it. Like, I've been having so many ideas, I can't even sleep at night. I just like have all these ideas I cannot wait to put out there. And now we have the mummy. It looks different in the photo than it does like in person. But he's adorable. It's like, this is the cutest thing ever. They're so sparkly and cute. Like, I love it. It's so cute. Super duper cute. And door number 6. My nails are so like weak right now because of the dip powder. I do miss my long nails though. They always used to get broken because of doing things, so that's why I got the dip powder treatment in the first place. I know that is so random during this video, but you know, just throwing that out there. And now we have Ezra. He looks pretty darn cool. Do you guys collect Doorables? Let me know down below. How many do you have? I don't know how many I have. I lost count. But I want to get like those little display cases I see on Instagram for them. Or like I see people take like those little like glue dots and they put it on the bottom. That would come in handy for me because they're always falling over when they come through my door. And I hate it. And what are we on? Like door number 7 now? Okay. Ugh. How have you guys been enjoying this summer heat? I mean, I think it's a killer. Like, I can't. And now we have the Groundskeeper. He's kind of cute. No, he is really cute and kind of cute. This is adorable. Look at him. I love it. And then, door number 8. I really want Madame Leota. Like, I better get her in here. It is a bonus. I mean, I think the back says, will you find a bonus figure? And it has 12. So, I hope so. I mean, I hope I get Madame Leota. I really do want her. And now we have the opera singer. These are so pretty and shiny. Like, if they had a nail polish like this, I would so rock it. Like that shiny metallic blue. That is gorgeous. Super gorgeous. That is so random, but like, it's really pretty. And then this door. I was contemplating on doing this like up close, like not showing me in the frame. But I like to do chatty videos with you guys. So I was like, I'll just do it this way. Who's this? Aww, I have the bride. Oh, you can see a little heart there. That's so cute. And now, this door. Okay, let's weird cases. I'm trying to open that. Okay. I've been doing so much shopping and I have some hauls coming your way. So stay tuned for that. I'm so excited. This is Cousin Algernon. I hope I said that right. But yeah, I mean, I have some hauls coming for you guys. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to do that for you guys. And share everything that I've been getting. He's so cute, isn't he? And now, this door. Let's pull it. Okay. And I see a lot of you that I follow are like obsessed with Stranger Things, and it looks like a good show. Like, it looks really good, and like, I believe it looks 80s based to me. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. And that's my cup of tea right there. However, I'm a big wimp when it comes to horror. And I don't know if I would be able to watch that because I am a wimp. I don't like horror. Like, it's so weird because I love Halloween, but like real like gory horror things, I don't like that at all. Like, I just don't. And I don't know, I heard that it's pretty violent at times, so I don't know if I'd be able to watch it. Like, I want to. It intrigues me, but I'm scared. Like, I'm a wimp. So I don't know. Let me know down below, like, how scary do you guys think it is? Like, based on those of you that watch it, let me know down below, please. And then now we have Phineas. That was so random, but like, I see it's a big deal. A lot of you like it. And the merch looks so cute though. Like, when I see the Funkos at the store and like the merch, I'm like, that's pretty darn cool. But I've never seen this show, so I wouldn't know. And now the last door. Please be Madame Leota. Please be Madame Leota. I don't know, I didn't get the butler in this pack. Is there not an extra? Did I not get her? I'm sad. I got the butler, but I didn't get Madame Leota. I am sad. I mean, I got everybody else. Let's check just in case. No, Sam. Lost hope. Sometimes you have to open these very carefully, because sometimes you can miss some, because I've done that before, but I didn't get Madame Leota because 12. Yeah. No Madame Leota. I might just have to get her on Mercari. Hopefully they sell her for a decent price, but guys, are you going to be getting your hands on these? I think that I paid $16.99, but it was so worth it. These are gorgeous, they're sparkly, and they're adorable. See what I did here? Adorable. That was a bad pun, let me just shut up now. But that is it for today's video. Let me know down below if you guys will be getting these. If you do, tag me in photos. I would love to see how you guys display them. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any more uploads from me. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!